Artificial intelligence is no longer just changing how media is made. It is changing how value is created, how rights are managed, how audiences are influenced, and how trust is preserved. Across motion pictures, music, social media, advertising, and corporate learning, AI is moving the industry from scarcity to abundance, and that changes the rules. In motion pictures, AI is already moving from enhancement into performance. The recent authorized AI-enabled return of Val Kilmer to the screen shows where the industry may be heading, toward digital replicas, estate rights, and union protections. And a far more serious question about consent and control. In music, the disruption may be even broader. AI can help artists write, produce, remix, localize, and experiment faster. But it also intensifies the fight over training data, copyright, voice cloning, fake releases, and who gets paid when synthetic music competes with human music. Industry groups are already warning that unauthorized training and streaming fraud are becoming material threats to the economics of music itself. That means distribution is changing too. Streaming and social platforms will increasingly be judged not only on scale and recommendation, but on authenticity, attribution, fraud detection, and content provenance. In other words, platforms may need to become verification systems, not just delivery systems. Then there is advertising. This may be the most immediate enterprise disruption of all. Global advertising is already above $1 trillion annually, and AI is changing how campaigns are created, versioned, targeted, optimized, and scaled. That creates efficiency, but it also creates pressure. Because as content production becomes cheaper, the premium shifts upward, towards strategy, brand judgment, taste, legal defensibility, and trusted measurement. That same pressure is now reaching corporate learning. Training is moving from isolated events to continuous enablement inside the workflow. Organizations that use AI to accelerate learning, role readiness, and in-context support will move faster. Organizations that treat training as periodic and separate from work will struggle to keep pace. This is the deeper pattern. AI lowers the cost of creation, but it raises the strategic value of rights, authorization, authenticity, brand protection, and workforce judgment. By 2035, the advantage may not belong to the companies that generate the most content. It may belong to the companies that can best prove what is real, what is licensed, what is safe, what is compensated, and what is worth distributing at scale. That is the board-level issue. Not just speed, not just automation, but whether the enterprise can govern media, marketing, and learning in an era where synthetic content becomes cheap, fast, and everywhere. The winners will not simply be the fastest adopters. They will be the ones that combine speed, rights, provenance, and trust better than everyone else. That future is not approaching, it has already begun.